I was tired of having those days in the office when I just couldn't concentrate. I was always worried about what would happen if one of our desktop printers went down. And even during meetings and presentations, my mind would race, dwelling on the worst case scenario. That's why I switched to Sharp and their Assurance Limited Warranty for my peace of mind. The active ingredient covers repair or replacement of the Sharp 131 series for up to 36 months or 36,000 pages, whichever comes first. Thanks to the warranty, I can now focus on what really matters: my work, my team, and my life.
Do not use if you are allergic to warranties. If you consume 3 or more toner cartridges per day, consult your service provider before starting the warranty. If you have a history of using laptops, displays, or other office products, ask your service provider about other office solutions from Sharp. Side effects may include crisp print jobs, vibrant colors, and increased productivity. For 3 years of confidence, reliability, and peace of mind, ask your service provider if Sharp desktop printers with the Assurance Limited Warranty are right for you.